What's up guys, Ken's here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get $250 worth of free Uber rides. Now this tutorial works for all countries that accept Uber. This also works if you have a new or existing Uber account, so you don't have to make a fresh account to do this. But before we get into this tutorial guys, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Also turn on notifications to get updated whenever I release a new video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go to the link I have in the comment section below. Alright guys, so once we're on the webpage, all you want to do is click the Generate Now button. Alright, so in this text box here, you just want to enter your Uber email or phone number. And now we're just going to wait about 10 seconds for your account to connect to the website. Alright guys, once that is done, your promo code will start generating. And now you may have a screen like this that says you have to verify your account. You may or may not. All you want to do is click the Verify Now button. And now we're at a verification screen, so all you have to do is just fill out one of these offers. Basically, it's just like a survey. You might have to answer a few questions. It takes about 2 minutes to do. So I'm just going to click one of these offers and complete it. Alright guys, so we're back, and now it should say verification completed right here. And now go back to the page you're on, and we should have a promo code. And now all you want to do is just copy that code right here. And now what you want to do is go to the Uber profile page, and right here click this payment tab, and right here is where you want to enter your promo code you just got, and then just click the apply button. And there we go guys, we have $250 worth of rides with Uber. And that's about it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And if it didn't work for you, just try it again, try it a second time. If that doesn't work, just comment down below and I'll give you a free Uber code. But that's about it guys, thanks for watching and peace out.